Need to turn your Word document into a PDF, but keep getting lost in the menus? Stick with me for 30 seconds, and you'll never struggle with this again. By the end of this video, you'll be saving professional PDFs like a pro. Start by opening your Word document. That's the easy part, but here's where most people click the wrong thing. Watch closely. Click on the File menu in the top left corner. This step is very important. Select the Export option from the sidebar. Not Save As, not Print Export. Keep watching. This is the secret shortcut most beginners miss. Now click the button that says Create PDF XPS. This is the moment of truth. Window will pop up asking where to save your file. Choose your folder. Desktop is perfect. Rename it if you want. Then click Publish. That's it, you're done. Using PDF, XPS keeps your formatting locked, so no one messes with your layout. If this helped, hit subscribe and check the playlist to master Microsoft Word from start to finish.